welcome back to that Vegas SRT4. What's up, what's up? Today, we're not talking about the SRT4. As you guys know, if you guys have been watching the channel, I got a 370Z 2014 Touring Sport. So we got some parts, and this is gonna be the unboxing of those parts. By the time you see this, I'm thinking I'm gonna have it already installed and everything, but I might just go ahead and put this video out by itself, but I'm not sure. So what did we get, right? Hold on. So we got the ISR header, long tube header. The Y pipe is coming. It should be here Thursday. Then we got 18 by 9 rims for the back, so we can get some swinging action. You know, the donuts. So they're going to be better for spinning and sliding. And we're going to put some used tires on these, and we're going to get to practicing, so I can step my game up and get in the pit and do some tandems and all this other stuff. Can't wait. So here we go with the unboxing. All right, so you guys get to see the unboxing. I actually got to go get something to open it. So hold on one second. All right. Yep, I need a box cutter, but right now it's good, right? Oh, that was an easy one, right? Okay, check these out. Okay, so these are the headers. Long tube ISR. Right there. Look at that. Brand new. Brand new. Right? It has two, obviously. Oh! Not too bad. So we got those laid out. All right. It comes with gaskets and bolts for the gasket, just in case you guys are gonna get one. You know, for the price, I was looking at YouTube, and they like them. You know, so Admin Tuning, they did a YouTube video. That's what sold me. You know, the horsepower gain for the price, and he said it's legit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it. I was gonna get some, really expensive ones, $1,800. I'm like, why, dude? Why? I'm building 2 cars. I don't need that, right? I just want the flames. I just want the sound, So that's what this is. I'll let you guys know once I get it tuned and stuff like that. What do we actually gain? Blah, blah, blah. All right. So that's that. Now comes the rims, right? We got one right here. Okay. I had several choices, obviously, because, it's hard to pick rims. I chose these because they're just for sliding. So what you guys think, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. As if it doesn't, as if it matters really, because I already got them, right? But, all right. So we got, can you guys see this? Let me move this back so I can get you guys right here, right? You guys see this? I'm gonna put, so hold on. I got you guys. What you think so far? Should I roll like that? No, all right. I didn't think so. Here we go. Oh, okay. Look at that. Right? Okay, let's check the other one out. You're thinking, why? It's gonna be the same rim. That's what you get for thinking you know me. All right, check. What are these? Whoa. Incredible Hulk, right? So I can go ahead and open the box like that. All right, these out. Okay, check it out. What you think about these, right? Oh, yeah, beautiful, right? Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys the logic, right? So the logic is that I was torn with these two colors, right? The red and the purple. And I couldn't figure it out. So I went on Instagram. I did a poll for my friends and stuff to vote which one do they think I should get. And I told myself, whatever they pick, that's what I'm going for. I'm out of it, right? Because I couldn't make up my mind. So it was even, dead even. The same amount of people that liked the purple was the same amount of people that liked the red. So I said, whatever they chose, I was going to go for it. So now I got both. So one side is going to be red, one side is going to be purple. That's how we're going to swing. Those of you who don't like it, I'm sorry, it's my car. I get to do whatever I want, but I guarantee you, you'll know. You see these? You know it's me. So here's the look, all unboxed. So like I said, ISR long tube header right here. And there's the candy purple, candy red. I'm hoping it's gonna look good, but it doesn't matter because that's the look. So I already bought it and I'm returning it. Let's just send it just like that. So there we go. What's up, what's up? Finally got the ISR mid pipe, so that completes the exhaust. So I got a wide pipe right here. So there's right there. Yeah. Every box I bring in here, she always got to inspect it first. So like I said, just got delivered. Let's see, there we go. There it is, right there. Pretty good packaging right there. Oh man, look at that. Yeah. So that's the ISR mid Y pipe right here. Oh, that's pretty light. Not too bad. I like that. So that's what it looks like right there. I'll put it down. Sorry for the camera action, but nice welds here. Yeah, I think so. I mean, I'm not a welder, but it looks clean. And then it comes with the gaskets right there. And just in case you guys don't know, there it is, the long tube ISR headers right there. So like I said, got the Tomy to this. Wait, no, let's try it again. That to this to the Tomy. Can't wait. Then we're gonna tune it, get some flames out the Tomy. Watch, coming soon.